Hello viewers, welcome to GutenDev presents 2-minute Gutenberg, and in this video I'm going to discuss the users and output of the video block, which is of course in Gutenberg editor. So let's get started. Click on the plus sign, go to common blocks and select video. You can upload your video, or you can choose your video from the media library or drag and drop your video file here. I'm going to upload a video. This is a video. You can change or add your caption. This is a video. There are some options you can change from the right side of your block setting. You can change the autoplay, loop, or change the sound setting to be muted or not, or playback control. You can change the poster image, which will be shown before the playback starts. I'm going to change the poster image to something else, and that's it. Right, so let's see what happens in the output side. You can also add your custom CSS from the advanced option. Click on the play button. So if you have any question, write down in the comment section below. We'd love to reply to your queries. Till then, goodbye.